Disclaimer, this is not a LEGO tutorial. We will discuss every feature of a standard LEGO gun. If you enjoy my content, like and subscribe since it will help my channel grow every day. Enjoy the video. Well, I'll be reviewing this gun. It has everything you need for a standard LEGO gun. This gun can be separated into 4 different parts: bolt, mag, handle, and body, and I'll be showcasing every part of the gun from hardest to easiest. Well, first of all, the handle. It's pretty important and pretty easy to make. You just have to focus on those little 2 connectors. I'll show in a second how you can connect both of them to make an easy functional handle. You see these 2 bricks? Make sure they are those bricks because it basically makes the handle work. And you just put it into 3 space and it will work perfectly. Next, it will be the magazine. It looks tricky, but it isn't. It only has 2 functional parts: the bullet holder and the bullet pusher. It basically does what it's called. It pushes the bullets from the bottom of the magazine to the top, and the bullet holder, it keeps them from getting out of the magazine. Everything is held by this small rubber band, and it's really easy since you only need minimal parts, and make sure only for the magazine billet system, which I'll explain later on the video. This is a real deal. I'll explain the trigger mechanism and the magazine release system. It can be hard because it needs really good placement of parts, and it's overall hard because you need to see where the trigger is going, place the handle correctly where it's supposed to be, and leave enough room for the trigger and the magazine. Finally, the LEGO bolt. This is the most important part of the entire gun and basically the most easiest. It basically makes the gun work by shooting and cocking the bullets. Well, that's all. I'm gonna completely mount the gun and show you how it fires. Well, this is the complete gun. It has everything I've shown you so far. You can see the handle, the stock, the handle, and the mag. Over here we have the bolt, which is a rifle bolt. Turn it around. Wait, here you can see the chamber. That's all.